Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Guys, welcome to Telecom Farm channel. This is Ramasan Chandran. Today we are going to discuss about how to take the CV backup and restore it through Motion. CV is nothing but configuration version. Already we have discussed about it earlier. Actually, this document gives a procedure to take the backup and restore your CV using Motion, which can be used for cello-based node, that is RNC, radio network controller, radio base station, and MGW, that is media gateway. If you want to take the backup, you have to use the command cv get space the CV name. Here you have to mention the CV which you want to take the backup from the node. Once it is executed, the CV, that is backup, will be stored in the file path, that is home / the laptop name / moshel _ log files / logs _ moshel / CV / the site id / the date and time / the file name in zip format. Once it is stored, if you want to restore the CV to another node for configuration issue, or the node get failure, if you want to replace the node by using the existing CV, during that time you have to use a command to restore the CV. If you want to put the CV to the node, or if you want to replace the node by using the existing CV, you have to use the command, that is cv put space the file path name with file name in zip format, that is cv put space / home / the laptop name / the file name, which is nothing but the backup of the configuration in zip format .zip. Once it is executed, the CV will be moved to your node. Here you can get the notification, that is the CV and the name of the CV was successfully transferred to the node. Once you moved the CV to your node, if you want to verify the CV can be restored to the node or not, you can use the command acc space configuration space verify restore. Once it is executed, it will provide the following result, that is one name was attempted, one name was accent. Here also you can able to get the CV name, that is parameter 1 of 1 CV name colon the backup CV which we downloaded and which we restored it. Once you execute the command acc space configuration space verify restore, you can also use the command to check the process of the verification, that is polls POLC, which can be used to check the process of verification, like how many percentages are restored, how many percentages are completed so far. You can use POLC to get the verification of the process. Once it is executed, if you want to check the result of the verification, you can use the command get space configuration version equal to 1 space action result. If it is executed, you can also able to find the discrimination between the existing CV which is already loaded on the node and the new CV which we restored by using the command cv put. Here we can get the notification action restore is not allowed, action force restore is allowed, and also IP data in CV and the node is not matching, which is nothing but the existing configuration IP data is not matched with the recently restored CV configuration. Here we can get the difference. Value in the CV is the IP address, value in the node is this is the IP address. There is difference of both IP addresses. Similarly, we can also get the subnet mask discrimination of old and new CVs. Value in the CV 255.255.255.192, but actually value in the node is 255.255.255.0. Similarly, we can also get the discrimination of XGAB IP address, value in the CV and value in the node. There is a difference between both. Here also the IP address discrimination of CV as well as existing configuration the node, value in the CV 10.11.34.9, whereas value in the node is 159.107.215.20. And also here node ID data in the CV and node is not matching. Here also we can get the discrimination, that is node ID data in CV is not present in the node. Already we have discussed about action restore is not allowed, whereas action force restore is allowed by using the command get space configuration version equal to 1 space action result. From the result information, forced restore is allowed for the CV because the CV is got from the another node. The IP address will be changed after the restore. On-site configuration is needed if you want to change the IP back. If you want to restore the CV by forcefully, you can use the command acc space configuration version space forced restore. It will ask the two parameters, that is parameter 1 of 2 is CV name. You have to mention the CV name which you want to make force restore, and the second parameter is auto configuration on. It will ask the following things, that is enter one of the following integers, 0 for off, 1 for on, 2 for as configured. So I have typed 1, which is nothing but it will need to make force restore. Actually, if the CV is successfully restored, the node will get restart. This is a on-site indication of node restart. Then if you want to check the CV whether it is come to the node or not, you can use the command cvcu. It will provide the list of CVs. It will provide the current CV. cvcu, as I said earlier, cvcu will provide the current CV result, whereas CVLS provide the list of CVs. The current CV is FI underscore CXB 9013831 R9DB 090831 1449. If you want to confirm the restore, you can use the command acc space configuration space confirm restore. then it will ask you the MO status. You have to type yes. When you type yes, it will confirm, that is confirm restore, that is one MO attempted, one MO action. CVCU will provide you the current CV status. Guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.